Hi everyone, today I will show how you can freeze in Excel. Yes, you are right. Excel has power like Sub-Zero. Let me show you how. When you work at Excel worksheet, sometimes you scroll to another area. But you also need to keep few parts of your worksheet to be visible. That is where Excel can freeze those columns and cells. To do that, click the View tab, then click Freeze Pans. You will find three different options. Option number 1 is Freeze Pans. Underneath, you will see written Keep rows and columns visible while rest of the worksheet scrolls. It is based on current selection. In this section, you will have to be a bit careful. It basically means if you click these rows and columns, it will be locked. To freeze specific rows and columns in place, just select a specific cell below the rows and right next to the columns from where you want to freeze. For example, if you want to freeze row 1 and column A, then select cell B2. Now, if you scroll, you will see row 1 and column A is frozen. Remember, whichever cell you select, rows and columns right above and below will freeze if you select freeze pans. Option number 2, freeze top row. There you will see written keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. If you click this option, it will only freeze the top row. Keyboard shortcut of freeze top row is Alt plus W plus F plus R. Option number 3, freeze first column. Underneath, you will see written keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. If you click this option, it will only freeze the first column A. Keyboard shortcut freeze first column is Alt plus W plus F plus C. So, now you have learned how to freeze. Congratulations to you. But what if you want to unfreeze? Well, just click unfreeze. Whenever you will select any of those three freezing options, unfreeze option will appear at the top. So, I hope now you know how to be like Sub-Zero. Freeze any rows, any columns whenever you want. I'll be seeing you soon. Take care.